small discrepancy.
It's not too late for you, though. Grab some of this military weaponry and see if you can take that osprey out of the sky.
No, don't
At
go
least
that way.
That
No,
will stop
no.
their reinforcements.
No, it's too late. I can't do it. I can't. We'll never make it.
If I have to ride that tram one more time, I'm gonna...
Interesting.
In order to
I
don't think so. I don't think I can last much longer. I couldn't even venture a guess. I don't concur. Nature... No, I haven't. But a friend of... No! 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 Stay back! Not yet, Freeman!
Nothing you need to worry about, Gordon.
No! No. No! No!
No.
No! No! No.
Okay.
Power to stage 1 emit... Why, look. Perhaps. Overhead capacitors to... Okay, let's get out of here. I'm afraid you have been through a serious accident. Most of your friends didn't make it. Once we were... One at a time, please. Perhaps. Psst, please. Please be still. Please, leave me alone. Why, look.
Small discrepancy.
It's not too late for you, though. Grab some of this military weaponry and see if you can take that osprey out of the sky. At least that will stop their reinforcements.
No, it's too late. I can't do it. I can't. We'll never make it.
No, don't go that way. No. Nature made them. We were only studying them. If I have to ride that tram one more time, I'm gonna... Interesting.
Stop attacking! He's a friend!
In order to override it, the all-clear code must be entered into the air control... I hope those containment parameters are still nominal. I don't think so. That shouldn't happen. The alien species can't possibly all be hostile, can they? Wait a minute, and I'll let you in. I don't think I can last much longer.
Wasn't
I couldn't
Dr.
even
Keller
venture
looking
to guess.
for you?
I don't
What?
concur. You're leaving me here? No, I haven't. I only know the ID number to Gordon's.
No!
That's odd. That way.
Nothing you need to worry about, Gordon.
That sound. What is it? No. That smell is interesting. Testing. The administrator is very concerned. Please, crab creatures have a unique...
Stop!
Standard insertion.
Someone has hidden my glasses again. Shouldn't you be under the barrel now? Okay, let's get out of here.
It's you. God, hold on.
Right. Men. Why, look.
Quick. It's a...
Please leave me alone. Once we were able to tag on your uniform.
Why didn't they listen?
While this may be your idea of fun, I prefer long walks on a sandy beach as the sun sets.
Well, go ahead. Let's let him in now.
Wait a minute, and I'll let you in.
We'd like you to bring the anti-mass spectrometer.
Well, I think it's rather stimulating. Don't you? We're almost there, Freeman. Get yourself in position. One at a time, please. Perhaps. Psst, please be still. Please, leave me alone. Why, look. Right. Rescued at last. Shouldn't we try to capture...
Secondary magnetic chargers.
Attempting shutdown. It's not... Shouldn't you be guarding some stone? Shouldn't you be under the barrel now? Shouldn't you be under the test? Shut up. Sorry, I'm leaving now. Stop attacking! He's a friend! Take me with you. I'm the one man who knows everything. Thank God. Thank God. That shouldn't happen. The alien species can't possibly all be hostile, can they? What? You're leaving me here? I only know the ID number to Gordon's HEV suit. Theoretically, that's...